Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. I'm in my kitchen, and this just came in for me today. I bought this through AliExpress. This is the MeLE PCG02 APO. It is an Apollo Lake powered PC on a stick, and I figured, hey, let's take a look at one of these things and see how they work. It's not powered by the new Gemini Lake chips that we've been looking at on some of those Intel NUCs, but it is a small form factor PC that I was interested in checking out. It had kind of a rough journey to get here, so hopefully it's in decent shape. Now, unfortunately, like many of these other mini PCs we've looked at recently, this one only has 32 gigabytes of storage as usual, but it does have 4 gigs of RAM at least, so it is capable in that regard. Not a bad little form factor here. I wouldn't quite call this a stick PC though, because it is rather large. Has a big heat sink on the top and bottom, so you've got that 802.11 AC wireless here with its antenna, but it also has an Ethernet port. I think this is 100 megabit Ethernet. Looks like here you've got a Kensington block, you've got a, looks like a headphone jack right here, 2 USB 3 ports, and the power goes in over there along with the power button. Let's see what else came in the box here. I'm not very happy about the way this sounds. I guess it's just the power adapters here, so thankfully nothing's broken. So it was rattling around a little bit, but you got all the adapters you need here in the box. I'm going to be using that one for the power supply that I'm assuming is in this portion of the box here. Let's pull that out real quick and see what we get. Yep, here's the power supply. And I'm going to guess this is probably 3 amps of 5-volt power, and sure enough, that is what it is. So it's, one of these run-of-the-mill plug-in PCs. I'm eager, though, to see how well this one will perform versus that one we just looked at from Zotac. That was that little credit card-sized PC. That one obviously wasn't performing very well, and we'll see if this one performs any better with the same voltage going in. So that is that. We're going to be probably reviewing this one next week, and be on the lookout for that on my main channel at lon.tv. And until next time, we will see you on the main channel. And Sasha says hello too.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.